Hello YouTube, this is Russian Toys here, and today's video is gonna be about some Triops that I bought. So I bought myself a Triops kit at my local kitty store, and the kit was $25 plus tax, so give or take $27 Canadian. And it pretty much comes with everything you need apart from a light. So this Apart from this light over here, this is everything the tank came with, the kit came with. So it came with a aquarium, which is right here. It's pretty small. I don't know how much it holds, but not a lot. It came with gravel for the aquarium, pure Triops eggs, so there's like 80 eggs in there, limestone, baby food, adult food, a magnifying glass, and eyedropper thingy, I don't know what that's called, with instructions and everything. Now, me being me, I didn't want to raise my Triops in such a small aquarium, and it's winter, it's cold here, so what I did is I bought a bigger aquarium. Now if you want to compare the size here, that's the size difference, and then there's also double the depth of that aquarium plus higher and everything. And oh yeah, the kit also comes with a hatchling bowl, which is right here, floating in there. Because in the winter you need to keep the temperature up. You need to keep the temperature up to about 23 degrees Celsius. So I'm floating it in the aquarium right now with a heater and a light, waiting for the water temperature to reach 23, 24 degrees. And on the thermometer, you can't really see on the video, that water has reached the temperature. So after this video, I'm going to be adding the eggs. And yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know. Now, after I failed my first attempt of breeding the Triops in Germany, I'm going to be trying to breed them here again. The light I'm using is a light from my local pet store, just a regular 25 watt aquarium light. The heater is a Marina mini 25 watt heater. The filter is just one of those internal filters you get for those 3-gallon goldfish aquariums, which is a joke, but it's good enough for a few Triops. Right, you don't need a really strong filter. So yeah, I'm going to keep you guys updated as I go along. And the instructions that came with this are really weird. Apparently you need 1/8 of a teaspoon of crushed carrot, which is in there, and a limestone, I guess, is for calcium. But the carrot is kind of weird, I find, but I used it anyways. I had no clue how to crush peeled carrot. I figured it out, but yeah. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.